Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to appear offline on WhatsApp. Open your WhatsApp. First, you need to click these three dots in the top right corner. Here you can find this settings option. So tap on it. Then you need to click this account option in here. Here you can find privacy option in the top of all. So tap on it. Now you can see this last seen option in here. So tap on it to appear offline on your WhatsApp. Then you need to select nobody option in here. And here you need to click this status and select only share with option. Then you need to select only the people you want to show your status. After that, you can click this green icon in here and next, you need to click this done button in here. And you need to turn off this read receipts. Now, even if you are online on WhatsApp, your friends will see you offline. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.